Looking for a family SUV that combines comfort, versatility, and Toyota reliability? Meet the 2019 Toyota Highlander. With its sleek design and spacious interior, the Highlander is ready to elevate every journey. Inside, you'll find seating for the whole crew, plus flexible cargo space for all your gear. The intuitive infotainment system and advanced connectivity keep everyone entertained and informed on the go. Powered by a smooth yet capable engine, the Highlander delivers a confident drive, whether you're running daily errands or setting off on a weekend adventure. And with Toyota Safety Sense, you'll have added peace of mind wherever the road takes you. Ready to experience a new level of family-friendly motoring? Visit High River Toyota to test drive this 2019 Toyota Highlander. Contact us for more details and let us help you find the perfect ride for your next journey.